Namaskar, a fresh good morning to one and all. Hope you and your family all are safe. A Sanskrit shloka, alasasya kuto vidya, avidyasya kuto dhanam, adhanasya kuto mitra, amitrasya kutah sukham. This is perfectly aligned with Swami Vivekananda's thoughts. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Remembering the simplicity and greatness of Swami Vivekananda ji, let's start our day today. Respected eminent speakers for today's session, Professor Hugh Ching, Mr. Balaji Reddy, Mr. Nachiket Fadke, Principal Dr. Vijayam Vadai, Vice Principal Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, respected HODs, Dean, faculty members and participants. I, Mrs. Trupti Wagh, on behalf of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akudi, welcome you all for the 5th day of International Webinar Education 4.0 organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell. Before we start with today's function, I request everyone to mute your audio and video so that bandwidth problem will not disturb this session. It will definitely amplify our positivity and will attenuate the noise. To mark the start of the day, may I request Dr. B.A. Kulkarni, HOD Mechanical Engineering Department, to present the welcome speech. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, dear friend. Madam, am I audible? Good morning, dear friends.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you're audible.
Good morning, dear friends, respected participants in Google Meet, organizing members, Musmadi sir, respected Vice Principal Madam, respected Principal sir. It is said that we can't gain advantage over Toyota.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes,
I think your video is mute. We could not see your video. Yes.
Now can we see? Yes, ma'am. Good morning, dear friends, respected participants in Google Meet, organizing members, Musmadi sir, respected Vice Principal Madam, respected Principal sir. It is that we can't gain advantage over Toyota with Toyota production system. For that, we have to have our own system. For this, thinking global but implementing local is very much required after COVID-19. The question is, are we hearing voice of students? Are we considering our students in our course delivery and design? Are we asking them what is that they need? Are we making them the customized learning solutions? Creating interest in learning, the joy in learning. Are the teaching learning not only ornaments, but essentials in education 4.0, dear friends? Who else better can explain this other than Balaji Reddy sir, a Deming philosopher who graduated from quality, and he nurtured his wishbone diagram in Japan. He was invited by Dr. Deming Institute in New York and appreciated by Deming's daughter herself. He was specially invited by Dr. Juran in New York. The two big giants in the field of quality, Dr. Deming and Dr. Juran. Dr. Deming and Dr. Juran are been credited to develop Japan. But friends, many of us seldom know that Dr. Juran is also credited for manufacturing in China. Therefore, Balaji sir is a perfect speaker to understand the faculty and the students' co-learning approach with Dr. Deming's and Juran's philosophy. Balaji sir always brings happiness after his lecture, and that is his greatest skill into us. He brings a nice smile on everyone's face after his lecture, sir. Let's feel the experience from Balaji sir. Thanks to all and happy learning. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to you, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Well, thank you, Dr. Kulkarni. I hope, am I audible and visible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Before we proceed, just 2 minutes, we have some formalities to be done from principal and vice principal side.
Oh, okay.
So just 2 minutes, I will hand over session to them. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. So now I request Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Yes, I request Dr. Mrs. P. Maltivan, Vice Principal and IQSC Coordinator, to express her view on this session.
Respected Principal Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, respected speakers of today's webinar on Education 4.0, Professor Hugh Ching, Mr. Balaji Reddy, Mr. Nachiket Phadke, all the heads of the departments, deans, faculty members, and my dear student participants. We have all come to the 5th day of international webinar on Education 4.0. Now, in pool campus placements, all the affiliated and autonomous students have to compete with each other. So our students have to be well equipped with all the potentials, then only they can be able to compete with all the autonomous institutes also. So it's the duty of the faculty members, they have to train the students for such kind of competition. When the outcome market scenario is changing quite fast, we people are not working on curriculum gaps, that again it's a crime. But we cannot be able to blame the system. Blaming the system should never be the aim of us, but extracting from it, fetching best out of it should be the outcome. So dear friends, today, therefore, we have arranged faculty co-learning seminar, exploration with the students. Simple steps like filing one simple patent along with the students will bring great changes in the education scenario. So we have invited 3 speakers today. Professor Hugh Ching, he is the founder and president of Post Science Institute. He is adjunct faculty in Matsuar University, California. He has worked for 8 years in the Department of Philosophy at University of California at Berkeley, 10 years in Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering with Professor Lofty-Zadeh on fuzzy logic. Many universities around the world are associated with Post Science Institute. Our second speaker, Mr. Balaji Reddy from Deming Forum India, is a very eminent speaker and an all-rounder. He will be speaking on co-learning of faculty and the students. Our third speaker, Mr. Nachiket Phadke, our own alumni, passed out from Mechanical Engineering Department in the year 2005, will be speaking on design thinking. So I am requesting all the participants to gain maximum knowledge out of these speakers and enjoy your learning throughout this international webinar on Education 4.0. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for expressing your views. Now, may I request Principal Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, sir, who is IQAC chairman also, to express his views on this occasion.
Good morning, all. This is Dr. Vijay Vadai, and I'm extremely happy that Dr. P. Malti, the IQAC coordinator, has organized this particular FDP, this international webinar, specifically to educate all the stakeholders, specifically for the students of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, faculty of the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, and other students and faculty of all engineering college in Maharashtra and India. I'm very happy that today there are approximately 2,000 participants, those who will be joining for this today's session, and the eminent faculties from the every corner of the world. I can say the Japan, California, and India. If you see the combination today, Mr. Balaji Reddy has really significant contributed for Deming Forum, being the president of this particular Deming Forum India, and understanding the philosophy how this Japan has been redefined and created once again. This kind of the philosophy, it means that Professor Mr. Balaji Reddy will be giving the right insight to all the students and stakeholder on Education 4.0, aligning to the Industry 4.0. I'm extremely happy to see that my student of the 2005 batch, alumni, and he is representing the Elco Engineering Private Limited. Yesterday, I have also gone through his presentation, and I found that the students of mechanical engineering has now come to at that stature, and that's why we are very proud. You are requested also to contribute for the internal quality assurance. Another, the guest speaker, I'm very happy that Dr. P. Malti could invite him on this particular international webinar. The adjunct faculty from the California to speak on as being the experts of the fuzzy logic and experts specifically now the era of the artificial intelligence and data science and contributing to the industry 4.0. Our insight as far as this teaching learning process, updating to this various pedagogy, making aware all this systematic approach of experiential learning, blended learning, ICT enabled learning, to tune with this industry 4.0. So there is a challenge now in this COVID pandemic situation, how to tune all my students and the faculty member to upgrade their knowledge base, because empowering through the knowledge is our the punchline of our and vision of our D.Y. Patil College of Engineering and D.Y. Patil Pratishthan. And to tune with this one, this particular organization of this particular industry 4.0 and education 4.0, this webinar is organized. I hope that all the participants will be very much not only engaged, but they should be immersed into the learning activity, and then perhaps the real experiential learning will happen, because the experts are there who have really gained the expertization in their subject. Now it is our turn to grasp as much as possible, and so that you will be the expert and competent for the next global world competition. With this, I conclude. I wish you all the best. And thanks, Vinay Kulkarni, that for steering this particular session. I'm sure that this session will be mostly with respect to the mechanical engineering. Perhaps it will be.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, Principal Sir, for giving us insights of this particular webinar. Thank you so much. Making teaching learning effective, aligned with Rabindranath Tagore's quote, everything comes to us, belongs to us, if we create capacity to receive it. I take this privilege to welcome our next speaker, Mr. Balaji Reddy, President Deming Forum India.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, continuing with the toppers feedback, may I now request Vivek Patil, sir, from the faculty side, who has scored maximum marks for yesterday's activity on the Moodle. He is from Computer Engineering Department. Do we have Vivek Patil, sir, with us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I am Vivek Patil from Computer Engineering Department of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akkudi, Pune. I am thankful to Principal Sir, Dr. Vijay Modai Sir, Vice Principal Madam, Dr. P. Malti Ma'am, and all the organizing committee members of the international webinar, Education 4.0, for organizing such a nice event. It will be helpful for the making teaching and learning effective. All the sessions were very helpful for the students and faculty. The sessions were interactive and giving us a knowledge on the future technology and to develop ourselves in all the aspects. I assure that whatever the knowledge or information that we got from this webinar, we will definitely implement in our teaching methodology and in our day-to-day life. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vivek, sir, and congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Before we proceed to the end, there is an important announcement related to the participation certificates. All participants are requested to download the enrollment certificates once again, because the enrollment certificate tab now it is renewed. And after that, please edit your photo, institution name, and departmental name. Please edit your profile so that we can give you the updated certificates tomorrow. But today you have to download the enrollment certificate for sure. It's a request from Moodle team. We have a great organizing team working behind. So front end and back end, both ways, the organizing teams are there. So can we proceed towards the vote of thanks, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes. So I request Dr. Nitnaure, Associate Professor from Mechanical Engineering Department, to propose vote of thanks. Nitnaure sir, are you there? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're
Good
audible and
afternoon, all.
visible. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, all. Honorable Chairman, Shri Satyajit Patil, respected Colonel S.K. Joshi, Director, D.Y. Patil Pratishthan, Akurdi, Principal Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, IQAC Chairman, Vice Principal Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, IQAC Coordinator, our most valued participants, ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on the occasion of 5th day International Webinar on Education 4, organized by IQAC Cell of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi. I, on behalf of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, and the entire supporting team of International Webinar on Education 4, let me call its fraternity of Education 4 here together, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for gracing your important work and sharing it with your findings and opinion today towards ways of learning in pandemic situation of COVID-19. A big thanks to you all. I will like to thank Professor Hugh Ching, founder and president, Post Science Institute, California. He had highlighted on the knowledge become religion when mature. He had shown the industry 1 to industry 1.0 to industry 10.0. He has shown that industry 1.0 to 4.0 is based on the value, but without solution of value. Whereas industry 5.0, it is output calculated from the input of the industry 4. In industry 6.0, the human communicate with the machine and related to the UPN for investing. In industry 7.0, self-manufactured general purpose robots replaces human labor. In industry 8.0, he highlighted on converting robots to the human and software to DNA. In industry 9.0, he highlighted that tolerance range of the robots expanded to approach that the human using fuzzy logic. Finally, his conclusion is that religion is the strength of the human activity. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Mr. Balaji Reddy, President, Deming Forum India, for his explanation of topic, role of Guru in teaching. Students should make, it's a very important highlighted point that students should make a role model of engineer and it should follow him. And we have to see that how to strengthen the student and work on it, not to compare. As Sir Balaji Reddy said, that we should always respect the Guru and follow the ancient culture, which is a Vedic education. I am really happy with his one of the example given related to the Dev Manav, Danav and Manav, where this Trishanka had created his own territory, even he had not got the space in the entry in the heaven. So really, sir, I really appreciate you for your kind words, and main thing that the people which we are just like our at the age of the 50, we also think that we are having the scope if we are ready with the new education learning systems which are nowadays enabled. And he also highlighted on the practice is the fruit, but theory is the root, just like quoted by the Kulkarni sir, which you had told in the session. Also, I would like to thank Nachiket Padke, Mr. Nachiket Padke, Elino Engineering Private Limited, for demonstrating his topic on design 4. He has shown the knowledge skill. He is expert in the crash analysis and he is also alumni of our college from 2005 batch. He has Also highlighted on the design thinking, which helps to resolve or observe the and develop the empathy. Digital twin, which is one of the main concepts he highlighted, and it is the need because in crash test analysis, we only make a complete model of a same strength, but by using the different, as you know, in the human body, at a different point, different strengths are there, and according to this analysis, will really help to create a more proper crash analysis and more impact analysis going to form on the human body. Also, I appreciate its different types of learning skills which are highlighted for the students and the staff. It is really very essential nowadays that the observation skill, then the ability to ask the question, ability to self-comfort, to self-correct, ability to communication in any form, digital literacy, basics of physics, so knowledge is important, and mathematical concepts with logical thinking. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Mrs. Aarti Uttikar Madam and Mrs. Trupti Madam for excellent anchoring throughout the session. I also wish to express my gratitude to Dr. V.A. Kulkarni, HOD Mechanical, and Dr. B.B. Muchmade, HOD Instrumentation and Webinar Coordinator, and Mr. Vipin Vibhute, and Senior Faculty Instrumentation Department, and his recording team for nicely organizing this webinar session of Education 4 on the day 5th. We all are inspired by your great work. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our heartily thanks to Colonel S.K. Joshi, Director, D.Y. Patil Pratishthan, Akodi, for perfect logistic support and guidance. He has extended to all of us at webinar on Education 4. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, Nitnavre, sir. So we have, yes. So this is what is all for today from our side. Usha ma'am, are you there? Can you display the organizers flags? Hello. Is Usha ma'am there? Okay, so I think she's not there.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
You are there? Yes. Are you able to present the organizers flags, ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So the front end and back end team for this webinar, Education 4.0, we want to just share it with you all. This is the complete organizing team for this international webinar on Education 4.0. Nitnavre sir, Falke ma'am, Manisha ma'am, Shanti Guru ma'am, and Aarti Uttikar ma'am, they are the group leaders. The chat session is handled by Sonam Patil ma'am and Dr. V.A. Kulkarni sir. The recording team is Vibhute sir, Kurde sir, and Rahul Pawar sir. The Moodleian team headed by Khenar sir with Usha ma'am, Manisha ma'am, Vidya ma'am, and Snehal ma'am. The speakers' contact and details were collected from Dr. Chaugule sir, and all reports and this excellent presentation of the organizing members is done by Mr. Suresh Rangankar. So thank you all for being with us and making us happy to organize this kind of event. This is the end of day 6 and day 5 for today's session. 2 more days to go. So gear up and continue your interest as always. Thank you all for being with us. Principal sir, you want to mention anything? Hello.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. It's the great things. Please.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow's session. Thank you very much.
Yes. Looking forward. Yes. Thank you all for being with us today morning. Thank you.
Thank you.